tell one. To tell words starting with no. I will give other instructions. Give me that. If another one, you tell more. Do you know what we need to play? That is, I will ask you the question, for example. How many districts of Rwanda can you tell in 1 minute? Or you can tell only in 1 minute? Okay, I will ask you to tell. Tell me 5 districts of Rwanda in 60 seconds. If this person is doing, he can tell more than 5. He will say, I can say more than that. If we say like 7, even if you think like you can tell more than what he says in 1 minute, you will say 8. If you think like you can tell more than what you will keep saying that, till we shall find the one who says, no, I am sure that if you say that you can say 15, this I can say 15, and you think 15 you cannot do that. You say you are Eli, you can't do that. We say, okay, no, but go ahead and tell us 15. This is he start. Come on in. Chigari, what? Once he fails, he will be a liar. Once he makes it, he will be loyal. Do you get that? Yeah. Instructions are clear? Yes. Instructions are clear, guys? Yeah. 1 clap, 2 claps. That's nice. Yes. Now, notebook. Yes. Can you tell me 5 words starting with the letter A? You can. Yeah, 5 words which start with the letter A. In 1 minute? Yes, you can. Can you tell more than that? Yes. How many can you tell? She's a liar. Yeah. Okay, we shall look for a watch. We shall look for a watch and receive that. 1 minute. Yeah, in 1 minute she tells. There are 6 words. Yeah. Yes. Which start with A. Ready? Hey, put there the stopwatch. Ready? Ready. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
You don't have to say that. You let her continue.
So 7 minutes remaining. 7 minutes remaining.
Example in English, I'm going to teach tense. Tenses, muda munero, wapigira hagati n'uvuze mu kuvuga kwiga present continuous. John is going to school. Mary is going. In the absence of different character, you will underline the key point. If you have a color chalk, you will take color chalk, then you is going using the color chalk. Yes. Then when I use